Welcome to our channel, Annanagar UPSC students. We will start our session. Okay, carefully listen to it. I will tell you the name of the dam or the reservoir like that. If I tell that dam or reservoir, you have to type the location of the state, which state it is located, comma, the river on which the dam is built. You should not type separately the state and the river. Okay, you should type both the state and the river in the single message. Okay, you should not type separately. Welcome, Kadir. Okay, we will start our session. The first question is Isapur Dam. You have to type the name of the state, comma, the river. If you know any one only, don't type. Only if you know both the things, you should type. You should type the name of the state, comma, the river on which the dam is built. Isapur Dam. Vijay, welcome. Maharashtra, Penganga. Very good, Sandhya. Isapur Dam is located in the state of Maharashtra on the river Penganga. Okay, very good, Sandhya. Muran Dam, Muran, Muran Dam. Which state, which river? You should type the name of the state, comma, the river on which is built. Okay, Vijay, I think you are coming for the first time for this session. Kindly submit your vulnerability mapping. If you do not know about the vulnerability mapping, kindly go to the YouTube channel and there is in that you can know about vulnerability mapping and kindly submit your PDF. If you are in Annanagar, kindly meet me in person and get your feedback. Indravati, Odisha. No. Okay, no Tavandu. It is in Odisha is correct, but the river is not Indravati. Okay, I will tell you the answer. That the Muran Dam is located in Odisha. The river name also Muran. Okay, Muran Dam, Muran River in the Odisha, in the state of Odisha. Okay. Okay. The next question is Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam. Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam. Which state, which river? Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam. Virishta, welcome Virishta. You are coming for the first time. Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam. Rajasthan Maghi. Very good, Tavandu. It is present in the state of Rajasthan and the river is Maghi. The name itself, the answer is there. Okay. Sholayar Dam. Sholeir. Sholayar Dam. You have to type the name of the state, comma, the name of the river. Sholayar. Sholayar. Sholayar Dam. Chalakkudi, Kerala. Chalakkudi, Tamil Nadu. Is it Kerala? Okay. In my Kerala Chalakkudi. Okay, you please cross verify. I have in my notes it is written as Sholayar River in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Sholayar Dam. It is built on Sholayar River in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Sholayar River in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Pong Dam, Pong. Okay, Pong Dam. Okay, it is in Tamil Nadu only. In the river name is Sholayar itself. Okay, Sholayar Dam. Pong Dam, Pong. Himachal Pradesh, yes, very good, Sandhya. It is present, the Pong Dam is present in Himachal Pradesh on the river Bias. Okay. Nimu Bajgo hydroelectric plant. It is a dam only, the hydroelectricity will be produced. Nimu Bajgo hydroelectric plant. Name of the state and the name of the river. Hydroelectric plant means Indus in Ladakh. Okay, very good, Aravindan. Indus in the Ladakh. Okay, Indus in the Ladakh. Very good, Aravindan. Indra Sagar Dam. Okay, state and the river. Indra Sagar Dam. You have to type the name of the state, comma, the river on which the project or the dam Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Aravindan. Indra Sagar Dam on the river Narmada in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Krishna Rajasagar Dam. Krishna Rajasagar Dam. Krishna Rajasagar Dam. The state, comma. No, you should not type like that. State only. Kaveri, Karnataka. Very good, Gokul. It is present in the state of Karnataka on the river Kaveri. Okay. Okay. Kaki Dam. Kakki. Kaki Dam. You have to type the name of the state, comma, the river on which it is built. Kakki. Kakki. Kaki Dam. You have to type the name of the state, comma, on the river which it is present. Kerala. Kerala is correct. Pampa. Okay. Kakki river also there. Okay. Kakki river, on Kakki river, Kakki Dam was built in the state of Kerala. Okay. Kakki river, Kakki Dam in the state of Kerala. Okay. Okay. Very good, Sandhya. Batsa Dam. BHATSA. Batsa Dam in the state of Dash, river Dash. There are two rivers on which that Batsa Dam is constructed. Maharashtra. Very good. Batsa Dam in the state of Maharashtra. The river is Batsa and Chorna. Chorna. Chorna and Batsa. The dam is Batsa Dam in the state of Maharashtra. Okay. Podagada Dam. Podagada Dam. Present in the state of Dash and the river itself Dash. Podagada. Podagada. Odisha. The river itself name is also Podagada. Okay. Podagada River. Podagada Dam in the state of Odisha. Okay. Bisalpur Dam. BISAL. Bisalpur. PUR. Bisalpur Dam in the state of Dash on the river Dash. Bisalpur Dam. Bisalpur Dam in the state of Dash. Banas. Very good, Rajasthan. Very good, Pravina. Bisalpur Dam on the river Banas. It is located in the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Okay. Another question is Rajkot Dam. RAJGHAT. Rajkot Dam on the river on the under the state Rajkot Dam. Betua is correct, but state is not correct. Rajkot Dam, Betua on river Betua, it is constructed. But state UP. Very good, Aravindan. Rajkot Dam on the river Betua in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Lakwar Dam. Lakwar. LAKHWAR. Lakwar Dam. Okay. Okay. UPMP border. Okay. Lakwar Dam. Yamuna. Yamuna is correct, Aravindan. Yamuna is correct. Lakwar Dam on the river Yamuna, but the state Lakwar Dam on the river Yamuna, Uttarakhand. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Lakwar Dam on the river Yamuna in the state of Uttarakhand. Okay. Lakwar Dam on the river Yamuna in the state of Uttarakhand. Okay. Somasaila Dam. Somasaila Dam on the river and the state. Somasaila Dam. Somasaila. Pennaru, Andhra Pradesh. Very good, Aravindan. Somasaila Dam on the river Pennaru, the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Ranganadi Dam. Ranganadi Dam, river and the state. Ranganadi Dam. Ranganadi Dam. It is only in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Somasaila only in Andhra Pradesh. Not, it will not come under Telangana. So, Ranganadi Dam. Ranganadi Dam. Ranganadi, very good. Ranganadi River, Arunachal Pradesh. Very good, Tawaindu. Ranganadi Dam, present on the river Ranganadi in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Nagi Dam. NAGI. Nagi Dam. Nagi Dam on river and the state. Nagi. NAGI. Nagi Dam. Nagi Dam. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is present on the Nagi River in Bihar. Very good, Tavaindu. It is present on the Nagi River in the state of Bihar. Okay, Nagi Dam on the Nagi River in the state of Bihar. Okay. Koldam Dam. Koldam. Koldam Dam. What river? What state? Koldam. Koldam. Koldam Dam. Koldam. Sutlej, Himachal Pradesh. Very good, Aravindan. Koldam Dam present on the river Sutlej in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Koldam Dam. Okay. Lakia Dam. Lakhya. Lakia Dam. River on the state. Lakia. Lakhya. Lakia Dam. Tungabhadra, Karnataka. Okay, it is in the state of Karnataka. The river itself, Lakia Hole. Okay, the river name itself, Lakia Hole, Lakia Dam in the state of Karnataka. Okay, Idamalayar Dam. Okay, Idamalayar Dam. Idamalayar Dam. River and the state, Idamalayar. Idamalayar Dam. Okay. Okay, the river name itself Idamalayar in the state of Kerala. Okay, the river name is Idamalayar in the state of Kerala. Okay, Tawa Dam. Tawa, Tawa, Tawa Dam on the river Dash, present in the state of Dash. Tawa Dam. Tawa River, Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Aravindan. Tawa Dam present on the river Tawa in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Kapur Dam. Okay. Kapur Dam. You in the river Kapur only. You tell the location of the state. Kapur Dam on the river Kapur River. You tell the name of the state only. If no. If it is a different river, you can tell the river and very good, Sandhya. It is Odisha. Okay. If the dam and the river name is different, you can tell. If the same river, same dam is constructed, I will tell you the answer. Okay. Kapur Dam, Kapur River. Location is Odisha. Okay. Ranjit Sagar Dam. For that, you have to tell the river and the state because the name is differing. Ranjit Sagar, a very famous dam, Ranjit Sagar. Ranjit Sagar. Ravi in Punjab. Very good, Pravina. Ranjit Sagar on the river Ravi in the state of Punjab. Okay. Rana Pradap Sagar. Rana Pradap Sagar. You have to tell the river and the state. Rana Pradap Sagar. Very easy only. Rana Pradap. Chambal in the state of Rajasthan. Very good, Aravindan. Chambal River in the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Rangit Dam. It is on the river Rangit. Okay. Rangit Dam on the river Rangit. You have to tell the state. Very easy question. Rangit Dam. On the river Rangit, you have to tell the state only. Sikkim. Very good, Arvindan. Rangit Dam on the Rangit River in the state of Sikkim. Okay. Matatila Dam. Okay. Matatila Dam. You have to tell both the river and the state. Matatila Dam. M-A-T-A. Mata. Tila. T-A-L-A. Betua in UP. Very good, Arvindan. Matatila Dam, Betua River in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Kang Sabati Dam. Kang Sabati Dam. The river is Kang Sabati only. Okay. You have to tell the state. Kang Sabati Dam on the river Kang Sabati, West Bengal. Very good, Aravindan. Kang Sabati Dam in the state of West Bengal. The river name also Kang Sabati. Okay. Okay. Kadana Dam. You have to tell both the river and the state. Kadana. Kadana. Kadana Dam on the river Dash. On the river Dash, Kadana Dam, and the state Kadana, Gujarat and Mahi River. Very good, Sandhya. Kadana Dam is present on the river Mahi in the state of Gujarat. Okay. Kishau Dam, Kishau, Kishau Dam, located on the river Dash and the state Kishau, Kishau, Kishau Dam, located on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Tons in Tons is correct, Pravina, but Himachal Pradesh. Very good, Tavandu. Kishau Dam on the river Tons, Tons, in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Kishau Dam on the river Tons in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Salal Dam, Salal. Very famous dam, Salal Dam. Which river and which state? Salal. Salal Dam. Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. Very good, Sandhya. Salal Dam on the river Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Maiton Dam. Maiton. Yesterday also I asked the Maiton Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Maiton Dam. Barakar, but which is not in. Very good, Aravind. Maithun Dam on the river Barakar in the state of Jharkhand. Okay. Maithun Dam on the river Barakar in the state of Jharkhand. Okay. Okay. Hidikal Dam. Hidkal. Hidikal Dam on the river Dash and the state Dash. Hidikal. Hidkal. Sabari Krishnan, you are very late today. Hidikal Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Hidikal Dam. Ghataprabha in the Karnataka. Very good, Sandhya. Hidikal Dam constructed on the Ghataprabha river in the state of Karnataka. Okay. Kulamavu Dam. Okay. Kulamavu Dam. Kulamavu Dam constructed on the Dash river in the state of Dash. There will be some external disturbances. Kindly tolerate. Kulamavu Dam located. Okay. The river name is Killi Villitod. Okay. The Kulamavu Dam constructed on the river Killi Villitod in the state of Kerala. Kulamavu Dam constructed on Killi Villitod in the state of Kerala. Okay. Omkareshwara Dam, a very famous dam. Omkareshwara Dam on the river Dash and the state Dash. Omkareshwara Dam. Narmada, but Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Pravina. Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Omkareshwara Dam on the river Narmada in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Varna Dam. Warna. Varna Dam on the river Dash. River name also Varna. Okay. You tell the name of the state. Varna Dam on the river Varna in the state of Maharashtra. Very good, Aravindan. Va. The word Va generally comes in Maharashtra. Vagora River. Varkari movement. Varna. Okay. Varli paintings. Okay. Va. This word generally associated with Maharashtra. You can use this sound for eliminating the options. Okay. Va. Okay. Varna Dam in the state of Maharashtra. Okay. Rengali Dam. Rengali. Rengali Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Rengali. Rengali. Rengali Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Odisha on the river Brahmani. Okay. Very good, Aravinda. Rengali Dam on the river Brahmani in the state of Odisha. Rengali. 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 Okay. Javahar Sagar Dam. It will be monotonous only, but we should learn this because these things are important for the exams. Even though it's monotonous, we have to adhere to it. Chambal in the Rajasthan. Very good, Aravindan. Javahar Sagar Dam on the river Chambal in the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Rihand Dam, a very famous question. Rihand Dam on the Rihand River in the state of Rihand Dam on the Rihand River in the state of Dash. Uttar Pradesh. Very good, Tavandu. Rihand Dam on the Rihand River in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Jam Rani Dam. Jam Rani Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Jamrani, Jamrani, Jamrani Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. No, you should not type like the only state. You should type the name of the state, comma, or the river. Okay. Then only it will be eligible. Jamrani Dam, you have to type the name of the state, comma, river. Okay, very good. Sandhya, it is on the Gola River in the state of Uttarakhand. Okay, Jamrani Dam constructed on the river Gola in the state of Uttarakhand. Jamrani Dam, Gola River, Uttarakhand. Okay. Karjan Dam K or Jan, Karjan Dam on the river Karjan. Okay, we have to tell the name of the state. Karjan Dam on the river Karjan in the state of Gujarat. Very good. Karjan Dam on the river Karjan in the state of Gujarat. Okay. Another very easy question. Ukai Dam. You have to type the name of the river and the state. Ukai. Ukai. Ukai Dam. Ukai Dam on the river Dash in the state of Gujarat on Tapi. Very good, Aravindan. Ukai Dam on the river Tapi in the state of Gujarat. Okay. Napta Jakri Dam. You have to type the name of the river under the state. Napta Jakri Dam. Napta Jakri Dam. Sutlej in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Very good. Napta Jakri Dam on the river Sutlej in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Panchet Dam. Panchet. Panchet Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Panchet. Panchet. Panchet Dam on the river Dash in the state of Dash. Damodar in Jharkhand. Very good, Sandhya. Damodar river in the state of Jharkhand. Okay. Panchet Dam. Okay. Linganamaki Dam, a very famous dam. Linganamaki. You have to type the name of the river and the state. Linganamaki Dam. You have to type the name of the river and the state in a single sentence. Sharavadi in Karnataka. Very good, Aravindan. Linganamaki Dam was constructed on the river Sharavadi in the state of Karnataka. Okay. Mullai Periyar Dam. You have to type the name of the state and the river. Mullai Periyar Dam. A baby question. Mullai Periyar Dam. Mullai Periyar, Kerala, on the river Periyar River. Okay, Periyar River, Kerala. Mullai Periyar Dam. Bansagar Dam. Bansagar. Bansagr. Bansagar. Bansagar Dam. Madhya Pradesh on the river Son. Very good, Aravindan. Bansagar constructed on the river Son in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Bansagar. Okay. Koina Dam. It is on Koina River. You have to tell the state. Koina Dam, Koina River, but you have to tell the name of the state. Maharashtra. Very good, Arvind. Koina Dam, Koina River in the state of Maharashtra. Okay. Okay. Koteshwar Dam. Koteshwar Dam. Koteshwar. Koteshwar Dam on the river and the state. Koteshwar Dam. Kotesh. No. You are going out of the context. Uttarakhand and Bhagirathi. Very good, Tava. In the Koteshwar Dam on the river Bhagirathi in the state of Uttarakhand. Okay, on the state of Uttarakhand. Okay. I will share this PDF in our group so that you can download and you can study. Okay. Okay, we will take it. If I go on doing that, it will be monotonous. Okay. Okay, Yoga Vasishtha and the medieval India. Yoga Vasishtha was translated into Persian by whom? Yoga Vasishtha was translated into Persian by personality. Darashika, no. Darashika Sirra Akbar Upanishad. That is different. Aravindan, Yoga Vasishtha was translated into Persian. No, Tawand. Yoga Vasishtha was translated into Persian by Nizamuddin Panipati. Okay, Nizamuddin Panipati translated Yoga Vasishtha into Persian during the reign of Yoga Vasishtha was translated into Persian by Nizamuddin during the reign of Akbar. Very good, Tabari Krishna. It's during the reign of Akbar. Okay. Okay. List out the Jyotirlinga temples, the 12 Jyotirlinga temples. No, you have to name of the temple, comma, the state. You have to type Jyotirlinga temples. 12 Jyotirlinga temples. No, Shiva temple. Type one by one. Okay. Nobody is typing. Like Rameshwaram, no? Ramanathan number, the Somnath, Gujarat. Okay, 2 you have written. Kashmir temple. Uttar Pradesh, what temple? Kashi Vishwanath. Okay, okay. Three temples have said. Remaining 9. Kashi Vishwanathan, Omkareshwarar, super. Omkareshwarar in the Madhya Pradesh, Kedarnath. Okay. Kedarnath, is it coming? Kedarnath? Yes, Kedarnath in Uttarakhand is coming. Mallikarjune in Andhra Pradesh. Magakaleshwar, Ujjain. Very good. Magakaleshwar, Ujjain. Okay. Magakaleshwar, Madhya Pradesh. Then other Mahankal, Madhya Pradesh. Mahankal, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Magakaleshwar, I have noted down. Then remaining Bhima Shankar, Maharashtra. Very good, Pravina. Bhima Shankar, Maharashtra. Then Girneshwar and Bhima Shankar and Maharashtra. Okay, Girneshwar I have noted down. Vishweshwar, Kashi Vishwanathan, they have told UP. Only some 2 we have left. Vaitinath in Maharashtra. Yeah, Vaitinath is not in Maharashtra, Pravina. Vaitinath temple. Kindly tell the name of the state. Vaitinath temple is a Jyotirlinga, but it is not in Maharashtra. Jharkhand. Very good, Arvind. Vaitinath, indeed, Jharkhand. Another one is there. Nageshwar, Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra. Okay, Nageshwar in Gujarat. Okay, okay. I will list out all the 12 Jyotirlingas. Okay, first one is Somnath in Gujarat. Okay, Somnath temple in the Gujarat. Nageshwar temple also Gujarat. 2. Somnath Gujarat, Nageshwar Gujarat. In the state of Maharashtra, there are 3 Jyotirlingas in the state of Maharashtra. Bhima Shankar, Triambakeshwar, Girneshwar. Okay, in the state of Maharashtra, there are 3 Jyotirlinga: Bhima Shankar, Triambakeshwar, Girneshwar. Okay, Vaitinath Jyotirlinga temple at Jharkhand. Mahara and Madhya Pradesh, there are 2 Jyotirlingas: Mahakaleshwar, Omkareshwar. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh, there are famous Kashi Vishwanath temple. In Uttarakhand, Kedarnath. Okay, Kedarnath temple. In Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram temple. Mallikarjuna temple, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Somnath temple, Gujarat. Nageshwar, Gujarat. Bhima Shankar, Maharashtra. Triambakeshwar, Maharashtra. Girneshwar, Maharashtra. Vaitinath, Jharkhand. Mahakaleshwar, MP. Omkareshwar, MP. Kashi Vishwanath, Uttar Pradesh. Kedarnath, Uttarakhand. Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Mallikarjuna, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Prana Pradishta of Somnath temple was done by the President Dash. Prana Pradishta of Somnath temple was done by the President Dash. No need to think why you are thinking. Prana Pradishta of Somnath temple done by the President. Why no answer? Ramnath Govind. No, man. How come Ramnath Govind? A very easy question. You people should not make mistake here. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is an easy question. Prana Pradishta, no. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, Prana Pradishta of Somnath temple was done by President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, these questions you should not do mistake. 0. Okay, okay. B cells and T cells now. What is the role of B cells and T cells? Some broad region you should tell and enough. No specificity. Just tell what is the role of immunity. Very good. Very good, Shivanadi. They protect the body from the disease caused by the pathogens. They protect the body from the disease caused by the pathogens. Okay. We have to tell whether it is true or false. Okay. DNA barcoding helps to access the age of the plant or animal. DNA barcoding helps to access the age of the plant or animal. True or false? False. Okay, very good, Ashwin. It is false. You cannot access the age of the plant or animal during by using DNA barcoding. Okay. Okay. The governor of RBI is appointed by the governor of RBI is appointed by the governor of RBI is appointed by the who appoints the governor? Central government. Very good, Ashwin. Central government. Okay. The governor of RBI draws his power from Dash Act. The governor of RBI draws his power from Dash Act. A very easy question. RBI Act 1934. Very good, Tavandu. The governor of RBI draws his power from RBI Act 1934. Okay. That urban cooperative banks are supervised and regulated by the urban cooperative banks are supervised and regulated by the RBI. Very good, Aravindan. Urban cooperative banks are supervised and regulated by the RBI. Okay. Urban cooperative banks are brought under the purview of Dash Act in the Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in which year? The urban cooperative banks are brought under the purview of Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in no Ashwin, no, through an amendment in that year 1966. Very good, Gokul. Urban cooperative banks are brought under the purview of Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in 1966. Okay, 1966. Okay. The negotiated dealing system order matching, no? What it is actually basically negotiated dealing system order matching. What it is? Negotiated dealing system order matching. The term is deals with what? E-trading. Okay, e-trading. Be specific. The term very good. Securities. Okay, there is a government securities trading platform of RBI. Okay, government securities trading platform of RBI. Okay, negotiated dealing system order matching. Okay, okay. R2 code of practices deals with dash. R2 code of practices. R2 code. Some broad region, if you tell it's enough. Recycling, very good. Environmentally responsible practices in electronic recycling industry. Okay, environmentally responsible practices in electronic recycling industry or two code of practices. Okay. Okay, carbon captured by oceans and coastal system is called dash carbon. Very easy question, baby question. Carbon captured by oceans and coastal system is called blue carbon. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Blue carbon. Okay. Dash grass is used for preparing natural mosquito repellent. Dash grass is used for making mosquito repellent. Lemongrass. Very good, Tavandu. Lemongrass is used for making mosquito repellent. Very good, Vijay. You are answering for the first time. Okay. The New York Declaration on Forest was first endorsed at the what event and what year? New York Declaration on Forest was first endorsed at the dash event in the dash year. New York Declaration on Forest was first endorsed at the 2014 is very good, Philippine, and the event is United Nations Climate Summit. Okay, United Nations Climate Summit 2014. The New York Declaration of Forest is first endorsed at the United Nations Climate Summit in the year 2014. Okay, okay. In which biogeochemical cycle the weathering of rocks is the main source of nutrients to enter the cycle? The phosphorus cycle. Okay, very good, Sandhya. Phosphorus cycle. The weathering of rocks is the main source of release of nutrients to the enter the cycle. Okay. Okay. Common carbon metric. Carbon common metric supported by UNEP. What is the objective? Common carbon metric. Broad region if you take building. Very good. Accessing the carbon footprint of building operations around the world. Okay. Assessing the carbon footprint of building operations around the world, the common carbon metric supported by UNEP. Okay, UNEP. Okay. Chaushat Yojini Temple is a circular temple built during the reign of dash. Chaushat Yojini Temple, a circular temple built during the reign of dash. No, the dynasty I am asking, dynasty or empire. The Chaushat Yojini temple, circular temple built during the reign of dash. Chandelas. Chandelas. Ahom. Very good, Tabandu. It is Kachapagata dynasty. Okay, Kachapagata dynasty. The Chaushat Yogini temple, circular temple built during the reign of Kachapagata dynasty. Okay, Kachapagata dynasty. Okay. It is an IBC site. well known for elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoirs. Dholavira, very good Sandhya. Dholavira is a IBC site, elaborate system of water harvesting. Okay. Okay, Roper IVC site present on the river banks. Roper, which state it is located, and which river bank it is located? Sutlej and in the state of Roper and the river banks of Sutlej in Punjab. Very good, Arvinder. Roper, the river bank of Sutlej in the Punjab. Okay. Okay. Chandra Keturgorg. Chandra Keturgorg is a historical place well known for dash. Chandra Keturgorg. CHANDRA. Chandra Keturgorg is well known for dash. This is a historical terracotta. Very good, Arvind. Chandra Keturgorg, well known for terracotta art, is present in which state? Chandra Keturgorg, well known for terracotta art, is present in which state? W Bengal. Very good, Pravina. It is present in W Bengal. Chandra Keturgorg, famous for terracotta art. Okay. Ganeshwar, a historical place, famous for what? Ganeshwar. Ganeshwar. Chandra Keturgorg, West Bengal. Like that, Ganeshwar is famous for which? For what it is famous? Ganeshwar in the state of, yeah, it is copper artifacts. Okay, Ganeshwar is famous for copper artifacts. Okay, where does the Ganeshwar located? Ganeshwar, where it is located? Rajasthan. Very good, Pravina. Ganeshwar located in the state of Rajasthan. Okay, the Chandra Keturgorg, no, in West Bengal is present in the river banks of Dash River. Chandra Keturgorg, present in West Bengal, famous for terracotta art, is present in the river banks of Dash. It is not a well-known river. Very good, Pravina. Yeah, very difficult question. She can able to answer correctly. Is Vidyadhari River. Okay, Chandra Keturgorg in the state of West Bengal, famous for terracotta art, is located in the river banks of Vidyadhari River. Okay, Vidyadhari River. With this, we are winding up the session. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you everyone for the participation. I will share that PDF of the dams and the rivers. Kindly go through it. No need to memorize, but kindly go through it. When you see the options, you will remember it. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for their participation. We will meet tomorrow. Vijay, kindly submit your vulnerability mapping. If you are in Anna Nagar, kindly meet me in person and get your feedback. For vulnerability mapping, you have to go to the YouTube channel and there is a playlist called vulnerability mapping. It is a very small video, 2 to 3 videos will be there. You can see and learn the vulnerability mapping. Okay. Okay, everyone. I am signing off.